The birds are so noisy. Kind of had to share this little slice of the evening with you guys. Just feeding horses. Just finished with Gracie. So she's chock-a-block. Moving down the line. We've got a beautiful sunset. This is the view from Gracie's paddock. If you were Gracie, this is what you'd see all day. Not bad. But holy smokes. The trees are alive. There's Rue. Says, what's happening here? Here comes the kid. There she is.
Are you doing a vid for YouTube?
Well, I'm sharing the birds right now. How noisy they are. Not as noisy as that motorcycle. Man. Good riddance. Oh, the birds got quiet for a second. Anyhow, really beautiful evening. Let's just explain to him this is Gracie's view. And she looks out on the world.
She's got a good view.
It's not a bad view. If you want to see what the other side looks like. It's the neighbor's yard. Hey, Bags. This is where the deer and the bear run around. So yeah. Anyhow, maybe that's it. The birds just got quiet, but they sure were noisy. Okay, today's a nature day. Hopefully you guys are enjoying a bit of nature. I am. It's a nice day other than those motorcycles. Look at Rue though. Okay, that's it. Let's finish up the food. Chirpy chirp chirp.